know, they stopped having me do this.
No what?
Well, when I got the propane tank, they stopped having me cut wood.
Oh yeah.
And then last year, oh, look out.
Oh man.
Last year she says she was gonna buy wood. What? Don't buy wood, you got a whole forest full of wood.
Yeah.
So, preempted. We dropped 5 trees last fall. We came out in spring and bucked them up and brought in this first pile. But I didn't have enough time to get this one. The dog has got a death wish. Look out! Go! Look out!
You've already, yeah. There you go. We can always move it in position.
Yeah.
Still people live. We don't pay to go to the gym.
You don't pay for wood.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, we do. We got a great deal.
Can we knock off the beer at 2 o'clock promptly?
Yeah, 4 by 4 foot.
4 by 4. I always
8.
figure out what I got. It's like the way it acts.
All right, are you ready to go back out there?
Sure.
We're gonna drop 3 trees. That's it.
Okay. And then are we going to drag the trees up?
No.
Pole?
Too heavy. The truck can't help.
Okay.
Oh, yes, yes, they're riding the truck.
Circle down. We'll be right over. I'm going to spray this to get water.
Hey, Fiona, what you got there? Yeah.
See if you can find a market for them.
Mm. So this is the homestead, Brett's homestead.
Clear more of those trees out, and then I'm eventually working on thinning all of this. I've cut all of this out.
Mm.
I'm gonna leave all the birch.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. But as I start to clean more of this out, these trees are only 20 feet tall because there was a forest fire here 50 years ago.
Right. I saw one of the
Cleared
deadwoods over here.
everything out, so these are all fairly new trees.
Mm-hmm.
And once I get this view, check this out. This view is killer. South facing, north is behind me, south is in front of me. Almost due south, actually. I came out here with the GPS. And I started to map out the property line with the GPS.
Oh, I got mine with me right now, too.
Yeah, you just put it on track mode and then walk the fence line.
Yeah, exactly.
And gives me perfect coordinates. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. Elk coming through here. I mean, huge herds of elk, too. It's just outrageous. It really is awesome. Once you open up all the trees, you let the breeze get in here, and then all the bugs don't. They're not all these
Exactly.
gnats
Oh, I
flying
see them
around.
now,
It
yeah.
blows the gnats away.
Uh-huh.
But there's still quite a bit of work to do. I'm not ready to leave my house in Shelton quite yet. This is more like a vacation home, you know?
There you go.
I don't think I'll ever sell the house in Shelton. Not with real estate these days. Holy smokes, here's my hammer.
You went through a winter, huh?
Jesus, I left this here last year. I couldn't find it. I was wondering what happened. It got piled, must have left it under this brush. It was about, I guess it was about 4 feet.
So which one you gonna fall?
It's over here. I'm going to fall towards the clearing.
Yeah, makes sense.
It is. I just extra on it before I cut the tree.
Okay, because I bought you some.
The hammer spent the winter out here.
Terrific.
Underground.
There's one. Okay. There's a hammer out here and
Okay.
I don't think there's one.
That. Camera. And that one right there.
Fail.
He's got the good camera. So that's 2 larches. Larch. And then I thought this little skinny guy. So that's your next year's wood. 1, 2, 3.
That'll be okay, son. Yeah.
So
3 will do it.
there's a lot of wood.
Careful.
In those 2 trees.
You can really hurt yourself.
Yeah, no kidding. That big chunk of rope?
Yeah. He doesn't know where it is, but we do.
Yeah. I moved this all over there.
Okay. You can get my earplugs in. I lost the hammer again.
Oh, did you want it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Bummer. Teeth, when you pull it. So basically you just...
Oh, that's how you do the tension.
Yep. Just like that. So 3 teeth should be exposed. We'll just give it one more crank. Once it gets hot too, it gets a little sloppy. And we're back in...
Perfect.
They just scared the shit out of me. Is that on film?
Yeah.
Panic!
Give your son a hug.
That's what wedges are for.
The breeze was coming up, it was coming in, it scared me.
That's alright.
You know, I've been...
Yelling doesn't help.
I think I was walking around with a camera on.
Oh yeah, she'd get excited and run right into the path.
You okay now? Huh?
Oh, wasn't that something?
The tree came down, the tree came down, I know.
In the spring. It's called deer moss. Just
Deer
a
what?
little education. Deer moss.
Deer moss.
M-O-S-S. Highly nutritious.
Huh. Are you going to make some soup for us this afternoon?
Yeah. With a little pinion nut.
Yeah, pinion nuts.
Oh, okay, right here. The tree hugger.
Oh. Well, you got a dead
when I
one.
open up my pizza parlor.
Oh, wait a minute. Are you a tree hugger, sir?
No. I love trees. I love to burn them. I love to cut them down. No, when I open up my pizza parlor, my vegetarian pizza is going to be the tree hugger.
The tree hugger. Oh, man. You.
Just take...
My buffalo wings are going to be spotted owl wings.
Camera off. This is the mother job. It comes with the territory. Camera off. Now, I know that you know what you're doing, and I know that you're grown up adult, and I have total confidence, however, please take into account we've got a win.
We got a what?
That's a win. You did that last cross-cut, and I got a little nervous.
Yeah, that's right.
So I know that I would just, you don't have that on film. This is what parents do. They worry.
Tell us about there's more people killed by trees than there are by bears. I like that story.
People up here killed by trees than there are by bears, okay?
The thing that I never could
We've never
understand
had
is a hard
anybody
hat.
killed by a bear, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, right.
It's true. We had a couple people squished more than once. Dick used to take bets, and he to drop a tree
Mm-hmm.
on an aluminum can.
Mm-hmm.
Beer can.
You put a beer. Well, what do you mean aluminum? You mean beer can?
Did I say that?
Yeah.
He was that good. So Brett's got great tree trimmers, and then the Forest Service thing
Yeah.
here. But nevertheless, I have to do the mother thing.
Yeah. Brett, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Be careful.
Be careful, honey.
It's exactly how you want it. But I committed way too much on the face.
Way too much under there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh
Yeah.
man, I just got it. Yeah, I should have only went here.
Mm-hmm.
Over
Yeah, it
half-
was swaying really
over-
big time.
Over half of the. It's kind of dangerous.
That's when your mom panicked.
It's
Oh, dear.
a good tree, man. You could sell that one. It's $400 a linear foot now for wood. So something like this, probably.
General Grant's worth a couple thousand now, I would think.
Yeah, this is probably I don't know, $600 log. The thing that was the joke was the Forest Service sells them for 50 cents a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Go on Forest Service land.
Well.
Here she goes. It was what? It was holding it in there?
This branch right here, this tree was holding that tree from falling over. So it was like I'd had a hold of it.
Yeah. But that's
Grappled it.
no hinge wood at all.
I mean that, I guess, you know, that's cut. There's nothing here at all.
Boy, that's thin. Look at that. You were right through. It was almost a drop down on
I
top
had
of
to
the
use
saw.
the wedges, I know. That's why I got this far in, then I put the wedges in.
Yeah.
And then continued to cut and hammer. Okay, next victim.
Point out the next victim.
Do you want a cedar
Cedar's good.
for next year?
Cedar's usually are on the no-no list.
Well, I got a cedar grove over here. It's real thick,
Well,
but I don't know how big the cedars are.
we have to discuss cedar.
That's right. I heard it was on the no-no list.
Between these two right here,
What do we got
is that
here?
better with all the dust that landed?
Well, once upon a time there was this little mouse and his name was Douglas. And poor little Douglas, he was always chased by cats and things. He had a terrible time finding a place to hide. So one day Douglas and all his little cousins were out, and here comes the big cat. They ran into a pine cone and they found safety. And so if you really want to know that little mice are furry, and we're doing this. This is the little mousey, and that's his little tail. And this is from Douglas's fir tree. F-I-R instead of F-U-R. And there is Brett's girlfriend, who just totally is so thrilled he's here. She just can't get enough of Brett. Oh, it's kisses! It's kisses! Joy's gonna be awfully jealous. Come here, dog. Get off of me.
Oh my God. Been molested by a dog. No more. All right. I was gonna do 3, but darn.
Don't you?
I meant for kindling.
Huh?
Kindling.
Oh, no. Which one did you want to take?
Yeah, they're choking out. It's right in the middle.
There's more over here that are actually easier to get to.
Oh, she's talking to her. Shh, shh, shh. Thinning. Remember, they're just thinning.
It's leaning right there before it kills one of us.
Oh, look at the size of that cedar.
Oh,
You got
yeah.
an 11 o'clock. Dead ahead. Now stop. 11. Gone.
Condo.